Okay, here is VIACOIN as requested. And as I believe from its genesis point. So we can look at this as ABC, and then we can start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wave 5 is always followed by an ABC retrace. This kind of an ABC flat is what kind of a flat? An expanded flat, where the B goes higher than the prior peak, in this case the peak of the fifth wave, and then the C goes below the bottom of the A wave. That is called an expanded flat. And I wouldn't be surprised if that becomes how the ABC completes. So let's say, well, you know, not everyone's the same. So if I call this 5, call this 3, what if it was like this? How different could it be? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It really doesn't matter. The end point will be about the same without not too much of a difference. ABC. After every 5 waves, wherever you put the 5, you cannot escape the ABC. If you look at the shorter time frame for 7 days, for example, the VIACOIN, just like Bitcoin, Dash, ZEC, and although many other altcoins, were also putting in a head and shoulders pattern. So you have the left shoulder, head, right shoulder. You can draw the neckline. If I wanted to estimate the minimum target of that head and shoulders, because it did bust through the neckline and climbed, I would then take the distance from the bottom of the head to the neckline, copy that, place it right above, and the price exceeded it already by a little bit. So in other words, this could be A of this, B. So A could be done. B might have maybe one more up, but here's a really tiny head and shoulders. In the event it does have one more up, it probably won't be that much of a higher high. And a C. Okay. Much of it will depend on how Bitcoin pulls and moves the tides. And I had just earlier posted a video analysis of Bitcoin indicating that maybe the bottom for the wave for Bitcoin might not be in yet. So you might want to take a look at that as well.